What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video. Today we are outside and it's raining outside. As y'all can see, we are here at Woody and Mod as usual. Jay is here in a yellow Corvette. It's supposed to be put up, but it's out here. I don't know why. It should be put up. Huh?
No situation we in, man.
Yeah. He need to go ahead and put this back up. If you want to buy it, let me know. If you want to buy this Corvette, link in the description. Comment down below. I'll get you in touch with it. No fake. But so today it's kind of like an up in the air day. We still on 30-day grind, no fake, no cap. And we wait on M-Way, Gabby, Laurent later. He's busy. But we gotta pull up to Jay's house for like a quick second, and then we're gonna come back here, shoot maybe some skits, some content. You want some skits today, maybe? Maybe some skits today?
Yeah.
So shoot some skits, maybe some content. Get everybody here. We're on 30-day grind.
Rev Nation.
No fake.
You don't say maybe. We just do it. We
Those
just
Skittles?
do it. We like Nike. This is trash, bro.
Throwing away stuff. Bro, have y'all ever had crumble cookie? I really want to try it. Huh?
I really don't feel like going all the way home. No cap.
Well, don't go home. Shit, be out here. But anyway, Rev Nation, I really want to try crumble cookie. It's over there, but I hear bad stuff about it. They have another one called Insomnia cookie. Is kind of like a little further down. For me, it's like way like 30 minutes. But I don't know. But I want to try it though. So I'm not sure what to do. But I want to try it and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. So maybe we get some food today. And it's cold, bro. Like, why do we live here? Look how dark it is. Like, I'm straight, gang. Cool. But hopefully Jay let me drive the Z06. Go fast. Okay. Hey, Cozart! Ow! Oh! Z06. I don't know why he want to get rid of it. Jay really hates this car for real. Don't you, Jay? Copyright! Why you hate this car so much?
Because it's fucking ass.
Jay really, it's dark in here, bro. It's like,
Look at the tinted windows.
tears.
And Joshua's bad. Jay bad.
Dog.
I don't use it for the same reasons, though. You know why Josh got tinted windows?
We know. I really want to try crumble, bro.
We can get one.
I really want to try one. This boy fast.
Well, you coming to my house tomorrow. Hey, y'all, tomorrow he can't help me put up a gate.
Oh, damn. That's tomorrow, ain't it?
That is tomorrow. I got to buy it, low key.
You got to put like the whole thing up?
Nah, I just...
All right, everybody. So we just came back from going to Jay's crib, picking up what he needed. We made it to Bucharest. That is so blurry right there. But we made it to Bucharest, about to get some food. We were Emily and Dev and Jay. Hopefully get some content, about to get some food. Low-key hungry. Munch, munch, munch. No fake. Copyright.
Hey.
That man 10K. 10K M-Way. Yeah, 10K M-Way. Congratulations, son. You're number one. Yeah. All right, Rev Nation. So we just got food. Josh got this chicken. It's so good, bro. 10 out of 10. Must try
You
again.
think this man's chicken, bro?
Yeah, bro. He offered, so I took some.
You just let people just grab your meat and eat it. Not that.
Wow. Hey, unsubscribe to my man's channel for that. Because that was crazy. No.
Hey, Rev Nation, y'all know who Motor City J is already on, right?
What you get?
All right, so we got a chicken shawarma stick, and then
I got curly fries. Cause he a good friend.
Low key, I need some napkins, man. This all this napkins. Hey, curly fries, low key, no cap. Let me open it.
Straight heat.
Here, see, man, I'll give y'all a fry. This is what Josh was doing. Here go a fry. Oh, okay, for y'all.
All right, everybody. So we just left Bucharest. Now we made it to Mobile, of course, our favorite spot. Look who pulled up. Evo and Tyrone. Hellcats.
I said you got these blackest names.
Yeah, the blackest.
Yeah.
How you doing, guy? Where you coming from?
We have a black Sean.
What you doing today? Nothing. We gotta make some skits. So
Let me hop in.
bet we need the more the merrier.
That's what I did to the GD3 though.
Dang!
I like it. It's good though.
What is that? Woo! Shit! What did you do to the lights?
It's for sale.
It's for sale.
It's for sale. 100K. 100. God damn. What? Bro, I'm gonna get it brand new off the lot. 100K.
You ain't lying,
It's a red eye. It is.
Ooh.
I can get the red eye right now for 100.
What you do to the light?
A black one. What you talking about, Evo? Hey, Evo.
What's this with the lights?
Oh, the blacked out?
Oh.
It's different.
Yeah.
Yo, what? Oh, this is a challenger guy. Yeah, he is a challenger guy.
This boy good.
like
Good. Dang, Evo got the Hellcat easy. Change the top. Carbon. It looks so good. Not gonna lie, Rev Nation. What y'all do it? That boy look good. Ooh, that boy look fire. Red cat. Alright, Rev Nation, so we back. We about to leave and we about to get in the car. Jake telling me to come on so we can go to the spot and shoot some content. No,
Hold on, shut up, man. Rev Nation, it's 5 degrees outside. He leaving the door, leaving me cold in the car. The door open, windy as shit.
we've been standing outside already, so we fine.
Man,
But we about to get some rollers on the way to the spot.
what's the spot?
The garage. Alright, Rev Nation, so we just got down here into the parking garage. This is a special place in my heart. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But we got the Hellcats down here with the vet. We about to shoot some skits, shoot some content, no fake Hellkeezies. Love that. Thumbnail. Alright, right now, so we about to get ready to shoot a skit for Jay. Shoot him a reel. We got both red eyes. Then we got the Corvette Z06 right there. That boy clean. We get into it. We down here making content. 30-day grind, don't stop, no cut, cast, drive, no cap. All right, Rev Nation. So we got one video down. We got 2 or 3 concepts in. So we about to get ready to shoot. We got M-Way with the van open. He gonna be leading. They gonna be following. So we got the concepts down. We got the space. It's about to get busy. It's about to get activated. Rev Nation. Hey, Rev Nation, we're here shooting right now. Try this. Tell me how it look. Rev Nation, we out here shooting right now. We got both Hellcats. Bro, it started out so good. It started out so good. I know, I recorded it. It started out so good.
Why you keep going back and forth?
Bro, so you can see both cars. You gotta see the cars. She did good. I didn't think she was really gonna see. Look, she's too far back.
I know, bro. Duh. That's the only problem with it.
Well, y'all was moving. I don't care what nobody say. That Cully was fire though.
Yeah, I want the Cully.
That Cully was hard.
You got 2 kids and a wife, Cully. Let's get it. I'll get one.
Go fade. What, they in the cars?
You can't turn the car back on.
So what you doing? We at mobile snacks.
I think this is PPF. I got Rolls Royce.
You said what?
Put the PPF on that car.
You did the PPF on it?
Yes.
Huh? I don't know. Burners.
You ever had this one?
It's good.
Is it?
It tastes like you know the movie Cherry, the cherry slush?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like
Respect.
at the movies.
Ooh.
You see?
He's sick.
It's one of them times. It's the time of year. I just be drinking burners.
Stand, get in line, gang. Get in line.
There's people in line. Oh, that's
Fuck it. There you go. There you go. So we gonna wrap up this video just about. We made it to Brooklyn's Pizza here in Birmingham, one of the better spots or whatever, and we about to go in right now. Good. It's so warm in here, it's ridiculous.
Where'd you go?
B-roll.
B-roll of the entrance. So guys, looking back at the video, Emway just hit 10K on Instagram.
Congratulations, son! You just went number 1.
He called me and woke me up and said that shit out of nowhere. I was sleeping. Well, I was like half asleep. Yeah, you bought the whole piece of
Okay.
You had to call tomorrow. I see the iPad. I'm trying to like wake up to answer the iPad. Then you hung up and called my phone number. And I answered.
Congratulations, son.
Pepperoni? Can I have pepperoni?
Alright, Rev Nation, so we just got back from Brooklyn's Pizza with the gang. Me and Jay here back at Mobile getting gas. I'm gonna cross the street at Miles, I'm gonna get in the car, but I just wanna close this video because it's the end of the day, it's the end of the video. I'm gonna go home, take a nap, maybe go to bed. It's late, like 11 o'clock. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Join the family of Rev Nation. We on our way to 10K views, 10K subscribers. And we on the 30-day challenge, 30-day upload. We on there, you know what I'm saying? So, I'll see y'all on the next banger video. Peace.